Hey there, I wanted to talk today about Final Cut and how it deals with timecode and clips. It's an ongoing problem that I have with doing editing work, and especially when working with clients or receiving footage that I have not shot, I have no control over. And usually the client would send me a list of in and out points for each clip that they prefer to use for the edit. Sometimes a problem arises that if a certain camera has a contiguous timecode or a global timecode that it writes to the clips, then that could be way off point. So for example, the footage that I've got here, the embedded timecode starts at roughly 8 hours, 8 minutes. So the problem is my client has sent me a list of timecode in and out points that reference from 00 for each clip. So I have to work out the offset and ideally set each clip point to 0. Now, the quickest and dirtiest way of doing this really is just to create a compound clip. So you go to your footage and then you go new compound clip and you set your starting time code to just zero that out. Obviously give it a name and give it the same name as the original footage with a little suffix compound clip. So you know it's a compound clip and you know it's referenced back to the original clip called Karma 0005. And just click OK. And the good thing about Final Cut is that it treats compound clips exactly as it would any other clip. So there's no real reason not to use it. But obviously it's going to increase the amount of clips that are in each event. So it can get a little bit messy doing it that way. So another way of doing it is to load a clip into an empty project timeline, and so you just append that to the timeline, and obviously a timeline has its own time code that you can see, so regardless of the embedded time code, the clip will start 00 and end whenever it ends. So you can go in and chop where your client's in and out markers are. So let's go from 05 to 15 seconds. The great thing about Final Cut is that you can see the tags is added for each region. So let's say the middle region is the one I want. It's on the client's list, from the timecode on the client's list. So I just go in and favorite that and get rid of all of that. And then you're left with the favorited in and out point. So you can pick up speed and go through that relatively quickly. So I hope that helps.